What if your next home wasn't just bigger, but smarter, calmer, and built exactly around the way you want to live? Let me show you this modern luxury penthouse located in one of the most promising areas in Riyadh, in Nargis district, just minutes from the airport, Expo 2030, and King Abdulaziz Park, which will host one of the World Cup stadiums, King Salman Stadium. What's unique about this penthouse, it is totally private, just if you were in your own villa. Gated parking, private entrance with both elevator and stairs. Luxury it is, double height and skylight. This first floor includes 3 bedrooms and a living area. From the second floor, you get this massive giant living area, 2 multi-purpose rooms, your own private kitchen, laundry area, maid's room, front and back terraces. There's more to this penthouse than what I shared in the video, and if you're ready for a home that finally feels worth it, secure your viewing today.